The two functions that I've been working on, I don't think they should modify the pixel selection. So in FILE896 function section, GPU to disk, we removed some code from here. So if we scroll down here, we removed the decision of whether or not to alter the pixel selection here. And then if we scroll further down, we also removed the modification of the GPU pixel selection right here. Okay, we've done the same thing in the complementary function, disk to GPU. So if we go down here, we remove the logic that was deciding whether or not to perform the vertical offset to our GPU pixels. And then down here, we removed the code that actually performs that offset to the GPU pixels. Okay, so with that, we have to put that code somewhere. And right now, it's in the L16 either function. And if we scroll down here, we'll find where we're doing it. So right here in this section, within 4x4, 512 by 512, right here, we have added this code. Here's where we decide whether or not to do the vertical offset. We input H27, get the flag, and then if it's true, we're going to throw an error, because actually this modification should only happen if we're on prefabs, and this function is specifically for L16 chunks. So this is an example of what we would do if we were inside of the prefab function, but this code right here is dead code because it never gets executed because we throw an error here. Here's where we want to put that code eventually that offsets the pixel selection, and we might put that offset here as well. I don't know exactly if this T25 version will be analogous to the PF8 function or not. Here's our footnotes, and then way down here is what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. This is where you are. You're here. Source code is here. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder working I'm Kanji Coder, and I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO, and I don't know how to talk.